I think that worked. I figured out how to record without having to click up through things. Yay! Whew! Doesn't feel great when we accomplish something. Oh man, like when you will be all done with your math by the time we're done with this lesson. Oh man. All right, so subtraction. We've gone through 5, 6, 7. Today we're going to subtract within 8. Okay? All right. So let's take a look at all the ways we can subtract within 8. Okay? We did this for when we subtracted within 7. We're going to do it again. All right? Okay. So 8 minus 0 would equal 8. Nothing's happening to it. Okay? 8 minus 1, counting back by 1. What's 1 less than 8? 7. Okay? 8 minus 2 equals 6. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Oh, that's not very good. 5. It's nice when you're using tools that you can erase. Okay? All right. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Ooh, my eye itches. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 8 minus 8, oops. Oh, I totally did that wrong. Oh my goodness, hang on. I was looking at this over here. Teacher needs a nap. Whew. Okay, 8 minus 4. What's the next one up? 8 minus 5 equals 3. That wasn't a very good 5. Boy, I'm having a moment. Body, belly, hat. Got it. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 8 minus 7 equals 1. And 8 minus 8 equals 0. Okay, now notice something about this pattern. The numbers in this column, they're getting bigger. Same with the numbers in this column. They're getting bigger by 1 each time. The numbers in these columns are getting smaller by 1s each time. Oh, I'm going to pause recording because this is probably my doctor. All right, and I'm back. Had to take that phone call. Lots of stuff going on these days. All right, so there's our pattern. Okay. All right. Now we can use a manipulative like we did with blueberries, like we did with ham the other day that I was feeding Shorebird. We could do them with Cheerios. We could do them with paper clips, counting bears, whatever you guys happen to have at home to be practicing with. Okay. Ooh, carrot sticks are a good one. Goldfish crackers are another good one. Okay. All right. So practice, practice, practice using whatever manipulatives you guys happen to have at home. Okay. So now that you're understanding the patterns of our subtraction, I do want you guys to start memorizing and remembering, especially for 5s, 6s, and 7s. Okay. And the expectation is going to be rising. That bar is going to be rising. I wouldn't be raising it on you if I didn't think you could do it. Okay. Practice, practice, practice. Okay. Maybe ask your grown-up if they would take a look on Amazon for some flashcards. Or even like I suggested yesterday, just while you're eating dinner, while you're in the bath, while you're doing some chores, have a grown-up or a sibling just call out subtraction facts, and you can use one of your strategies or try your very best to remember. Okay. And that will help with your fluency. All right. Because working on them little bit by little bit as we are practicing is going to be a lot easier than suddenly practicing all of them all at once, okay? And that's why we're increasing the number that we're subtracting each day, okay? So it's not like, boom, subtract everything, because that would be very overwhelming. At least for me, that would definitely be overwhelming. But we're still mixing up, okay, so you can get that practice, okay? So here we have that very similar procedure where we have some manipulatives. Ooh, if somebody has extra buttons, ooh, okay, that would be great too, okay? All right, so we're gonna count and cross out the buttons to subtract. Same thing we've done with the bubbles, with the beads, okay? So I love these because we've got a pattern going. You're knowing what to expect, okay? All right, so we've got 8 buttons. We're subtracting 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're left with 3. Can't really see that too well. Let me try and use a different color crayon, see if a brighter color is a little easier to see. Okay, so 6 minus 2, 1, 2. Oh, still not. Okay, let's try. There we go. What I'll do is I'll really scratch at them like that and make my X's really bold so that you can see them. But please, you don't need to do that with your pencils, okay? Just a little X with your pencil is just fine, okay? This has to pick up on camera. Okay, so 6 minus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, okay? 4 minus 1. We're left with 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right, you got this. You got the rest of this, okay? All right, so now we've got to spin and subtract. These are so fun, okay? So I'll help you guys with a couple, and then I'm gonna spin and get you guys the second number that you're gonna subtract, just in case you don't have a paper clip or something at home, okay? So you probably have guessed what we're gonna do. We're going to spin. We land on a number. I landed on the 5, I promise. So I'm going to write a 5 in the box, and then I'm going to subtract. Okay, I'm going to choose the strategy, use my fingers. So 8 minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Always get rid of the hand that has the fewest number of fingers first. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we're left with 3. So I'm going to write 3 right there. Okay, all right, let's spin again. I need like the Wheel of Fortune theme song. Okay, 8 minus 0, okay, is 8. We're not taking away anything. Okay, all right, and ooh, 8 minus 6. Okay, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb first. 5, 6. I'm left with 2. Okay. I'll spin one more, and then the rest of them I'll give you a number for, but you'll have to solve them. Okay, 8 minus 4. Okay, so 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm left with 4. Okay, all right, so the last 8 of these, I will spin and give you that second number, but you will have to solve them, okay? Oh, actually, you know what I just realized? You can use the spinner sort of like a number line. I'll show you. So 8 minus 5. I know we just did it, pretend it we hadn't just done it, okay? So it won't work because we don't have an 8. Well, you can count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just don't count back there. You've got your 8. You can have a little invisible 8 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that can help you too. Okay, and I landed on the 3. Okay, all right. So there's another way. You could also turn this into a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, use your number line. There you go. Boom. If you're a little nervous to make a number line on your own, ask a grown-up to help you. Okay. All right, just a couple of things. Oh, get your goldfish. Get some blueberries. Get some carrots. You'll need a lot. Okay, all right, here we go. Okay, 8 minus 2. All right, here's my 8 minus 2. 8 minus 7. And you can write them over here too. That's fine. We'll fill them all in. Okay, let's see. I think it landed on the 4. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 2. And 8 minus 6. Okay. All right. You can solve the rest of those on your own. All right. Let's turn the page. And guess what? You've got manipulatives again. Okay. Now, at this point, you should have been practicing enough and you're getting it a little bit. So hopefully you might be able to do these without the manipulatives. Okay. So think of this as a helper. Use them only if you need them. Okay. So I'm not going to demonstrate this because you know the routine for this. You've got this. You've got this, huh? Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's get stop sharing. Yay. All right. You got this. You're doing so great. So great. All right. Enjoy your weekends. Happy Sabbath. Enjoy. And I'll see you guys on Monday in that video. Okay? See ya.